Hello po, magandang araw. Welcome to Timeless Tarot 111. So kung nandito kayo sa isang sitwasyon na tinatanong ninyo no, sa inyong sarili, no, kung ano ba ang intensyon at kung anong ang nararamdaman no, ni person sa inyo, kayo po ay tinatawag ng video na ito. This is a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo po ito makita, ito yung time na kailangan nyong marinig. So this is a pick a card reading. Let me just shuffle the cards again. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, no? That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience at nagla-live din po tayo doon, so you might want to check on it. So ayan, ito po ang ating magiging clarification cards. At ayan, so iisa lang po ang bilang niyan ng ating cards, no? Pero para malinawan kayo, no, kung anong pile ang inyong pipiliin, maglalagay tayo dito ng crystals. Sa unang pile po, itong selenite. Sa pangalawang pile po, ang ating rose quartz. Sa pangatlong pile po, itong ating clear quartz, no? So, kung feeling ninyo ito pong selenite, no, ang kumakausap sa inyo para piliin, no, ito po yung pipiliin ninyo. Ganon din po dito sa rose quartz at dito sa clear quartz. Pwede po kayong pumili ng isa o dalawa, or kung gusto niyo tapusin yung buong video, okay lang po, no? Pwede niyo ring i-pause itong video para makapili po kayo. So, uumpisahan po natin sa pile number 1. Ito po ang selenite. Pile number 1. Breathe. Time for a nap. And the thinker. Pakiwari ko, ang dami na nating mga naiisip, no? Medyo may kaba, merong konting or maraming katanungan, konti, madami, it doesn't matter. May katanungan. Pero nandito kayo sa part na medyo merong konting pag-push, no? Sa kaba. Meron ding sabihin natin ayokong may stress, kaya ayokong pansinin, no? Itong mga dumadating na kutob sa akin. Dumating ka rin dito sa part na sabihin natin nawawalan tayo ng gana, lagi tayong tulog, not because tamad tayo or tinatamad. Well, nandun tayo sa tinatamad kasi parang wala tayong lately, no, na nakukuha from our person. Let's get this Hermit card. I think nga kasi merong mga nagawang kasalanan itong si person natin. Sabihin nating betrayal of trust, no? Or hindi nasunod or sinusunod ang mga alituntunin, batas, um, every relationship has their rules, 'di ba? Kahit nga sa bahay, meron tayong house rules, 'no? Yung iba puwedeng labas-masok, yung kanilang ginamit na tsinelas o sapatos sa labas, karamihan hindi, 'no? Hanggang dun lang sa labas. It depends on the person and for those people, 'no, na agreeing to it. So, parang ganun din, parang ang nakikita ko dito paulit-ulit na sabihin natin na nasasaktan tayo. Emotionally, I hope not physically. Ibang usapan na kapag physical. I'm not saying na kapag emotional, um, medyo mababa, 'no, ang impact. No, it's not. Pero iba din kasi kapag physical. Hopefully, 'no, hindi siya physical. I just want to let you know, 'no, kung hapyawan ko lang ng very mabilis itong if in case, 'no, nasasaktan tayo ng physical, itigil niyo muna, 'no, itong panonood ng tarot cards, 'no. Mamaya niyo na lang balikan. Kasi kung nandun tayo sa physical, ah, hindi po tarot cards ang makaka-help sa inyo, 'no. Sumangguni kayo sa mga kinauukulan, 'yan. Magsumbong kayo sa mga awtoridad, 'yan. Meron naman pong mga desks, 'no, na puwedeng tumulong sa atin. Um, Tsaka niyo na lang balikan, pero unahin niyo muna yung safety, 'no. When it comes to emotional pain, I feel like or sabihin natin ditong this person also took our peace of mind. So, especially also when it comes to mental health, no, probably you might also want to consider sitting on it and probably have a shadow works, magnilay-nilay tayo. Is it still right, no, to pursue the connection? Uh, with the Seven of Pentacles and the Four of Cups, I feel like meron ditong mga red flags na probably it is very visible. Uh, Writings on the wall na either hindi natin nakikita or ayaw talaga nating pansinin. But for a few numbers of you, for the pile number one, merong mga rejections of ideas, no? You're waiting. You're waiting for this person to change. You're waiting for your person to sabihin nating ibigay itong relationship na inaasam natin. However, from what I am seeing in here, medyo, yun nga, medyo parang nababalewala tayo ni person, no? Uh, let's get some more cards. The Five of Swords, the Nine of Cups, the Knight of Cups, and the Eight of Cups. So, ang nakikita natin dito, parang you feel like you are on the losing end or parang medyo natatalo na tayo dito sa laban ng relationship. It started good actually, no? Yung with the Nine of Cups, parang pinakita sa atin lahat. Pwedeng nasasabi mo, sa una lang ba 'to magaling? Kasi at first, no, talagang todo effort, no? Pero as time passes by, medyo bumagal itong relationship. So parang sinasabi mo dito, normal nga lang ba 'to? Because my person becomes complacent with the relationship. probably because of the longevity and familiarity of the connection. Um, I am seeing here na medyo lumalamlam nga itong emotion, no, ni person. Let's clarify the Five of Swords, the Two of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. You're not feeling the passion anymore. You're not also feeling that your efforts are also being reciprocated, right? So, for a few numbers of you, nagkaroon na ng mga challenges na parang hiwalayan, no? Itong relationship. With the Knight of Cups, clarified by the Ten of Pentacles and the Chariot. I feel like mas lalong nagkaroon ng gap since nung nagkaroon ng challenges, since nagkaroon ng separation, no? Nagkabalikan man, nagkaayos man, parang hindi na nabuo. Kumbaga nagkaroon na ng lamat, ano? So with the Eight of Cups, clarified by the Page of Cups and the Ace of Wands, siguro naiisip din natin na does my person parang inayos lang itong relationship for free sex, no? Um, or for the sake of may matawag na they are in a relationship, nakukulangan tayo, no? Let's check here the emotion. I don't wanna wait any longer, please be mine. I think that this is you. Yun nga, ang sabi ko medyo natatagalan, medyo bumabagal itong takbo ng relationship, no? So from what I am seeing, since the chariot is here, this may be a piece of your connection. There's no perfect connection naman, or there's no perfect relationship. You might be in this situation of you probably wanted to bring back the passion that you once experienced with this person. Um, there is still love, I want you to know, kasi kung anong feeling niya sa'yo, but it's also very evident that it's not the same anymore. The intention in here is holding on in the connection. Your person's also waiting for healing, no? So parang nagkaroon kayo ng isang agreement, or meron kayong, yun nga, nabuo itong connection ulit after the challenges, but your person is also healing from what happened from the past. Um, I am seeing here in the latter future, there's a higher possibility that things is gonna go back, although it may take a little time because of yung speed is medyo mabagal. Pero I'm not also seeing any third party in here, or your person's doing something behind your back, or probably not anymore. There is a sincere apology. Probably the main issue here is your person is very guilty of what they did from the past, and sabihin natin merong hiya, no? Nahihiya, or yun nga, nahihiya akong sa mga ginawa ko dati, kaya hindi ko alam kung paano i-express yung aking emotion, kung maniniwala pa ba siya, no? So there's love. The intention is here is both of you heal and probably move this connection forward, no? Let's check. Let's check the zodiac sign. This could be your zodiac sign or your person's sign, no? Um, or they have this placement in their chart. Cancer, Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo. Yes, Sagittarius, I already said that. Virgo. So, this is your reading pile number one. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po, no, sa susunod na reading. Let's move forward sa pile number two. Pile number two. This is your card. Message in a bottle. The higher power changed in the wind. So, sobrang evident, no, ng mga nakikita nating pagbabago. Babalik ko lang po, yung ginamit nating clarification cards kasi that's meant to be to clarify, no, yung ginamit nating card dito. So, let's go back. Na masyado ng evident yung mga pagbabago ni person, no? Probably meron damang-dama din natin na meron siyang gustong sabihin. Pero sa atin, ayaw nating itanong, nahihiya tayong itanong or natatakot tayong itanong dahil baka hindi natin gusto yung marinig nila, masaktan tayo. We're probably trying to save ourselves from the pain. But my question is whether or not you're asking, no, the question, somehow you're still hurting, right? Kasi hindi masagot-sagot itong mga tanong sa isip natin. This could be, does my person still loves me? Does my person have plans in the future? Does my person wanted me to meet the family? No? There's something here that you are really keeping, no, to yourself. So you're seeing the fluctuations of energies. Sometimes the relationship is so good, wherein you want to cherish and probably, capture the moments or capture the feelings and save it to your memory bank. But sometimes it's also very cold. So let's say the connection is very unpredictable, right? Uh, with the Page of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, it also makes me feel that probably we are the kind of person who's very quiet, if I may say. Ayaw natin masyadong inuuwirat, nagtatanong, baka kasi magalit, no? Now, I want to clarify with the Four of Swords. It could also be with the Eight of Cups and the Five of Pentacles. You might be on the verge of probably a thought of leaving the connection. You're losing the enthusiasm of sabihin nating mag-effort. Siguro hindi nga ito nasusuklian. Um, there might also be a lot of plans, dreams, aspirations, no? In the future, pero parang sa'yo, ay naku, wag na lang. Kasi parang hindi rin naman ako papansinin, hindi rin naman siya bibigyan ng chance 'no, para sabihin nating pagtuunan ng pansin ni person. With the Queen of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, and also what I am seeing in here, chances are you have given a lot of things, time, energy, effort, that's important. You could also be spending like literally money in the connection, and probably bigla mong naisip, ang dami-dami ko na ring investments 'no, dito kay person. Sometimes dates, sometimes, even sa mga mag-asawa, ito yung, pasan ko na 'no, yung rent, the expenses 'no, um food, hindi sa nagbibilang tayo, pero this connection should be a teamwork, right? Pero para kang nag-ampon, 'no? Not really para manumba tayo kaya nga ayaw mo magsalita, eh. Um, Siguro minsan naiisip natin na kung ako kaya mag-isa, 'no, siguro mas less yung expenses, mas hindi pa ako ganito kapraning, 'no, or ka-worry. With the Six of Swords, the Magician. You know what, nakakita naman din ako ng your person is also concerned with what is happening. Um, your person might not be discussing about this because of probably nahihiya nga din ako, no? Parang I also do not want for us to have this conversation kasi baka mamaya, no, um, masyado kong ma-feel na maliit 'no, ang aking ambag, or um, ano ba yung maliit na iba tuloy yung isip ko 'no, me and my green mind. Um, Maliit yung kanyang, kumbaga, don't get me wrong, maliit yung kanyang, effort 'no, baka kasi hindi mapansin. You know what I mean, and you also know what I mean on the, the double meaning of it, but, let's not talk about it. Um, with to keep it a little lighter, with the Magician, the Seven of Wands, and the Nine of Swords, actually, mahal ka naman ni person. Siguro nandito tayo sa phase na ayokong sabihin kasi words are, ano, spells, 'di ba? We need to be very careful of what we say. So, I'm going to say it, not me as a person, as a reader. I'm going to say it because of them. I want to make it clear, no, to the universe. It's not me. It's for the reader and the reader's emotion, no. Um, Parang inaalat, no. Nandito sa part na ay inaalat yata siya, no. Um, Hindi umaayon ang mga bagay-bagay, no, sa kanya. Pero alam niya yung gagawin. Um, Actually, yung intention niya dito is nadi-stress na rin siya 'no, na ganito nga yung situation. So, ang nakikita ko in time, kapag nabigyan 'to ng break, babawi naman. You may be in a situation right now na talagang tayo muna. Ah, Natatagalan tayo, yes, 'no, pero nakikita ko nandun naman yung kanyang, actually nafi-feel din niya na baka gusto mo ng umalis. The reason bakit siguro din medyo cold siya is because of ayaw kanyang nahihirapan din. Actually, napaka-selfless nitong love din niya para sa'yo kasi kung ano yung magiging desisyon mo, hindi ka niya pipigilan dahil alam niyang nahihirapan ka na din. Your person's crossing their fingers na you stay because not because na ikaw itong, you know, driving the connection in many ways. But if this person is gonna be given tulad ng sinabi ko, no, as a break, I think that this person's going to do everything, no, to pay you back. Um, para akong naiiyak. Will you help me? Actually, um, yes, nandun na tayo sa sabihin nating medyo financially tight ang person natin. Um, hindi ko ini-invalidate, no, ang nararamdaman natin kasi nga medyo naging burden sa atin. At the end of the day, this will be your decision. Um, I am not here to dictate, but I am just giving you an insight of what's happening. So, there, kaya medyo cold kasi stress na rin siya, hindi niya alam kung paano magbabayad, no, sa'yo ng utang na loob. Um, so parang kung meron kang mga decisions at parang feeling mo hindi ka hinahabol, it's because of naiintindihan niya yung situation mo, no? Hindi ka hinahabol because of nararamdaman niya na pabigat na rin siya. Para akong naiiyak. Wala naman ako dito sa sitwasyon na 'to. So let's check, no, sandali binalik ko agad. Yeah, ito na pa yun. Yeah, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. So I am seeing Pisces, Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, um, Virgo, no, and Capricorn. No, this could be your sun sign or a placement in your chart. So this is your reading, uh, pile number two. Let's move forward sa pile number three. Pile number three, clear quartz. So pile number three, this is your card. Yang, happy, happy, round and round. Bakit parang pakiwari ko may sumbatan? Pakiwari ko meron ditong unpredictability ng kanilang person's emotion. So that affects the unpredictability of the relationship per se. No, minsan matabil talaga ang dila din ni person. Masakit magsalita. Um, I hope na hindi rin ito katulad nung sa number one. Hindi tayo umaabot, no, dun sa pisikalan. So, I might gonna repeat this statement, no? So, kung pinili mo yung pile number one at pile number three at nandito ka talaga sa sitwasyon na to, this might gonna be the sign for it, no? So, again, hindi ko ini-invalidate ang emotional damage, ang kumbaga naapektuhan yung mental health natin, no? Pero when it comes to physical, ibang usapan na rin 'yan, no? You might wanna stop watching tarot readings, even this tarot reading. Um, Pumunta tayo sa mga otoridad, ano? Kasi hindi naman kayo mase-save ng tarot cards. Ah, Humingi ng tulong, no, sa mga authorities para masolusyunan, no? Um, I think that there's a lot of aggressiveness in here, even when it comes to, well, making love is very passionate, that's for sure. Especially sabi nga nila, no, kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng away bate or ng away. Ang sabi nga nila is, itong makeup, 'no, sex is very passionate, nandun yung gigil, 'no? Um, and I think that your sex life is somewhat very good. But it felt like ang problema natin kasi dito yung pagiging matigas ang ulo ni person, 'no? I'm sorry, dito ako kumuha, it should be this. Pero sige, 'no, I think that there is a reason for that. It actually clarifies yung pagiging matigas ng ulo, matabil ang dila, and I feel like this is the time for you to para hindi naman makipag-away din, 'no, but to set limitations and stay grounded and probably put an ultimatum, 'no? With the Two of Swords and the Ace of Wands keeps on showing. The passion is already here. Baka kasi parehas lang din, kasi both cards showed up. Baka parehas naman kayong matabil magsalita, 'no? Nagbabangayan palagi. Parang walang gustong mag-bow down, 'no, dun sa isa. Kapag mainit ang ulo ng isa, aba hindi pwede 'yan. Dapat pantay tayo diyan. So, ito na ba yung mga relationship na nagkakaroon na ng basagan? Ito ba ang mga relationship na baka kapwa nagsasakitan, nagagantihan? Yung relationship na full of passion then afterwards okay na uli, 'no? There may be some implications on this na especially kung may mga bata, hindi siya magandang influence or, nakikita, 'no? With the Page of Cups and the Four of Wands, chances are yung mga pumili nito, medyo sobrang lalim na ng kanilang pagsasama. To a point wherein cohabitation or living in together or marriage is here or probably already in a proposal, or already thinking of it, or probably papunta na tayo talaga doon sa ganong sitwasyon. Ano, uh, with the Star, the Nine of Pentacles, ang nakikita ko dito, masaya naman kayo. I don't know kung masaya din kayo tuwing nag-aaway kayo. This might be also a relationship that parang yung fight and misunderstanding was become a or already become a tradition, 'no? Parang hindi buo ang araw kapag hindi nakakapag-away. Meron talagang relationship na gano'n, no judgment, 'no? Um, but it felt like sa sobrang passionate niyo sa isa't isa, sa sobrang pagmamahal niyo sa isa't isa, that's why you probably end up in that kind of situation. My beloved. So this is, I think that both of you need some um, professional help when it comes to marriage. No, probably you need some counselings, um, or probably you're just stressed out. Either way, this is a loving connection. Sa sobrang pagmamahal nga kaya tayo nagkakaganito, no? Sa sobrang devoted sa isa't isa kaya din tayo nagkakaganito. Pero I think that this is like you've seen your person, parang nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa kanila. There you go. No, parang you're seeing yourself in a mirror in the vessel of other people, and that happens to be your partner. Apparently, sa sobrang match ninyo, parang you mirrored each other's energy. Siguro, ito yung sinasabi, oy, magkamukha na tong mag-jowang to. Or parehas kasi sila ng ugali, no? sa sobrang pagkakaparehas nagka-clash. I think I don't want you to change per se, but I feel like it requires an adjustment in this connection, no? Kasi you are no longer an individual, as you are in a relationship and you should be a team, no? Hindi puwedeng merong competition, nagpapagalingan, napapataasan, who's who, no? Um for a few numbers of you, I am seeing also this could be an LGBTQIA plus no relationship. Um, I feel like it's because of ako ang kumikita ng mas malaki, ako dapat ang masunod. So nagagalit naman yung isa, parang natatapakan mo yung ego ko. And I don't like that, no? So nakikita ko naman dito na kailangan lang ng konting tweaks, turns, 'no, parang titimplahin lang natin yung tama. But I feel like ang intention naman dito ni person is to stay, and the emotion, if this is not love, I don't know what love is, but it felt like sumobra, 'no? Sumobra tayo sa mga bagay-bagay. So let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Aquarius, Leo, Pisces, um, Taurus, so Sagittarius. Yan, so this is your reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong magtanong, you have personal questions, you can click the link in the description box. You're gonna be routed to my website. Una pong bubungad sa inyo yung question form, right? Ibaba nyo lang po ng konti, nandun po yung mga QR codes, and there are labels underneath the QR codes. So nandun po yung how much per question, the name, the number. You can also see, no, ito pong um, tinatawag natin dong 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it. If you also want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Pakihanap na lang sa QR codes, no? Pero kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, pwedeng naman po ninyong report yung mga fake accounts na nasa description box, and then take a screenshot of it, send it to the designated email, kasi bubunot po tayo ng winner for that once nagapin natin yan, no? And that is a free personal reading. So, kung naghahanap po kayo ng mga readings about exes, nandun po siya sa Facebook. That is Babaylan TV. So this is your reading, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.